Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Trinity, and today will be a slime video, but I have new slimes. I made this one, and then I have another one that I didn't make. Just kidding, I didn't make none of these. I don't have the ingredients, and well, this one is a blueberry slime, came in this container. And then this one is a kiwi slime. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And my dad's in the shower right now, and I'm watching TV. I'm watching Bung.
Where is everybody?
So yeah.
Do you know something I don't? Do you know about sand crabs?
This is amazing. It's stretchy. It's fun. I love the color of it. Do you guys want a close-up of it?
No, what is this all about? When Lou gets back, I really want this place to sparkle. I thought you could help me by cleaning all the bathrooms.
Woo! And these little blueberry things, I have no idea what they are, but once you squish them, like, they squish, and then, yeah. But today I tried to find like a pop-it fidget type thing, and like me and my dad checked Five Below and Target, and yeah. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was just busy.
Do you think I'm someone else?
At my mom's house, at my dad's house, spending time with Mac. We got some new toys for Mac. And yeah.
Which unprotected network sounds safer to you? Skippy Skis 5G or super trustworthy net wink wink?
Here is a little bit of a close-up. So it has like a little bit of sparkle. Like, it is awesome. I love this slime so much. And this one, both of these look like the same thing but in slime version. These blue things look like actual blueberries. And these looks like kiwi because they're like the black, which it's supposed to be like that because kiwi has black seeds. And then, I don't know if you guys can see these white things. If you guys can see white things in there, that is part of the kiwi slime. But let me know if I should mix these two together. I don't know. I kind of like how they are. And yeah. Wait. I love this slime so much.
I've just been really busy hiding from somebody else.
Woo!
I'm glad I found you because I really want to talk about what happened right now. I have to go play bubble soccer. But this is only assembly lane. But I'm not leprechaun. Come on, man. You're a scientist. Did you talk to her? No. She's so embarrassed for me. She can't even look me in the eye.
Well, you gotta do it soon. Otherwise, she's always gonna think of you as the guy who sat in chocolate.
I didn't sit in chocolate.
Well, someone wouldn't let me taste it. So here we are with more questions than answers.
This calls for
All
drastic
I ever
measures.
wanted was to see the world high up in the sky. I want a plane ride. Always see if we never feel like them. Oh guys, see this. Hold on. Let me zoom in.
Is that you? Listen, I need you to know that you didn't see what you think you saw last night. And with the stars as my witness, I won't let this incident ruin our friendship the way that it's ruined my best slacks.
Dude, that was beautiful.
So yeah.
Oh, she ran away.
I don't think she's forgotten about the pants thing.
There you are. Done already? Already? I feel like I've been cleaning forever. Who's the president?
Can cars fly yet?
Whoa.
Did Harry and Meghan go the distance?
Well, I'm glad you don't, because there's something I need you to see in the kitchen.
Ah, here it comes. Is it edible?
Yes,
Is it gooey?
very.
Is it chocolate?
No, but it is brown.
Wait. We are still talking about cake, right?
In a way. Last night's mound of brown was so big it caked up the garbage disposal. And now the sink's
This is
full.
what the blue
And I
thing
thought,
looks up
hey, Ava's
close.
already wearing gloves.
Oop.
So, you still need to keep me busy? Fine. Whatever you're planning must be huge.
And for the record, Harry and Meghan will go the distance. He's the people's prince and she's an American
I
treasure.
squish, squish, squish.
Oh, I've got to
Guys,
correct
comment down below if the comments are turned on. So they keep on saying that.
Someone at the front desk just a sign
But
that says life's too short.
comment down below if you are a big fan of slimes or squishies, or if you like singing. Or just comment down below if comments are turned on. If you really don't like none of those, or if you love them. And thank you so much for that 1 subscriber. And the reason why I haven't gave away those iPhones yet is because I need more subscribers and likes. But thank you so much for that 1 subscriber. Yeah.
And it's so dark. I'm gonna use the flashlight on my phone.
And
Now I know where all the spiders are.
on Hot vs. Cold Challenge on Liliana Ketchman. Thank you so much for shouting me out in your video. I really appreciate it. So, yeah.
By any chance, is there a screwdriver in there?
And if FGTV is watching this, please friend request Cam Henson 2015. Please, he is the biggest fan of you. And Gravy Catman, please friend request Cam Henson 2015 because he is your biggest fan.
People always ask us,
Don't
how come we look so
chipper in the morning.
They must think we get here before the sun comes up.
The truth is, we live here.
My eyes, baby, take control.
Ryan, your hibiscus lemon water with a unicorn splash.
Wait, guys, can you guys do this?
Kelly and Ryan, check your local
Do
TV.
it quick, woo!
Why is the studio such a mess?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my gosh. Gotta be careful. Because I've gotten slime on my dad's couch. I didn't get in trouble, but I got it on his couch many times. But at least it was a black couch. Okay, so let me show you. Well, you've already seen my dad's couches. And guys, so you haven't seen Mac yet? He's a year out. So if you guys don't know. Won't be long. Do your thing. I'm love. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I sing this song. Yeah, it feels so good. This song. A fish underwater. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love guys. The QB video will be in my next video. Love you guys. Peace.